Today we'll be replacing a catalytic converter on a 2017 Ford Explorer. Start by removing the engine cover and disconnecting the oxygen sensors. Then we'll need to remove the heat shield on the exhaust manifold. Then once we're up underneath the vehicle, we want to remove the exhaust pipe, crossover pipe. Next, we can unbolt the converter from the cylinder head. Now, this catalytic converter is part of the exhaust manifold on this vehicle. Once that manifold's off, go ahead and take note of where the bolts were. You may have some empty holes in the new manifold and on the cylinder head. Go ahead and remove that oxygen sensor from the old catalytic converter so it can be transferred over to the new one. Inspect those. Maybe if the threads are damaged, it might need to be replaced. Now you're going to want to remove the exhaust studs from the cylinder head and install new ones, because these are prone to breaking over time. And once those studs have been removed, you can either use a thread chaser or a tap and die set to clean the threads up in the cylinder head. Now we're going to install the new exhaust studs into the cylinder head in the correct locations that we noted before. You're going to want to torque those studs down to 18 foot-pounds. Next, we'll go ahead and install the new gasket with the new converter. We will torque down all of those exhaust nuts to 30 foot-pounds. Attach that lower bracket to the side of the transmission. Thread the oxygen sensor into the new manifold. Want to clean up that exhaust pipe, install new gaskets, and then that exhaust cross pipe can be reinstalled. Again, that's 30 foot-pounds on those nuts as well. There, he's just checking for any rattles. Back up top, we're going to reinstall that heat shield. Reinstall the engine cover, and you are back on the road.